Hey, hi everyone. In this particular lecture, we are going to learn about that how to delete a directory in a Node.js, right? It is very easy and simple to implement. So let's understand that how we can do it. But before starting, make sure that your main folder has this package.json file, right? If you don't have this file, you simply need to go to the terminal and write npm in it like this, right? And press the enter. After pressing the enter, you will get this package.json file, right? Now let's go to the main part. So for deleting the file, or sorry, the deleting the folder, what we need to do, we use the file system module of Node.js. So let's import it. We write the const fs equals to, we use the require method for importing, right? So require, then a bracket, inside this you write fs like this. Now this fs denotes the file system. We are importing it with the help of require method and storing it inside this fs variable. Got it? Now coming forward, for deleting it, we just need to write fs.rmdir. Rm denotes the remove and dir denotes the directory. So by rmdir, we are actually removing the directory, right? So put the bracket here and write the name of the directory that we want to delete. So I want to delete this my folder, right? So I will just write the my folder here. In case your file or the folder is present somewhere else, so just write the complete path of that particular folder, right? Now doing this, after that we write the callback function. What is this callback function? Simply just a function here, function bracket, inside this we write the err. After that we need to write a small logic, that is, if the error is present, that is if err, in that particular case you just write console.log bracket err, just print the error. But for debugging error we just write console.error, right, like this. After that we write else, inside of this we write console.log bracket. Now inside of this we write what, we will actually write that since we are removing it, right? So I will write that removed, right, like this. Now let's save this code. So control plus s, make sure you do it. After that we go to the terminal and we'll write node. Since it is a node project, so we write node, and here is script.js. This is the main file. Inside this our code is written, right? So we write script.js, right? After writing it, just press the enter and let's see. So here I'm getting that directory not empty. So one thing about rmdir is that it deletes a folder only if the folder is empty. But my folder, this particular folder, is having three different files. So it is not capable of deleting it like just by this particular format. We just need to add few more things to delete a folder which is having some content inside of it, right? So for that we just need to add on, put a curly bracket here and then a comma outside of it. Now inside this curly bracket we just write recursive as true. Just put the recursive as true. Now when you put this, and now if you try to do it, just control plus s, we have saved it. And now let's go and see node script.js and press enter. So you can see I'm having the file, or sorry, the folder as deleted, right? So this is all. Here I'm also having a few more instruction that in future version of Node.js, fs.rmdir will be removed. So rather than using rmdir, you can also use rm also, right? So if you want to use rm, you can use it, because it is saying that in the future versions, since in the node.js 14 plus versions, this rmdir will be removed and rm will only exist, right? So you can use fs.rm, but it will work in both the cases. Let's create a new folder, that is a folder, let's say folder only, right? And I tried with this also, that is fs.rm, delete this particular folder, right? So let's see that whether we can delete it or not. Sorry, just save it and let's go node script.js and press enter. You can see the folder got deleted with the rm method also, right? So this is how we delete a directory in our Node.js. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. If you do, then make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.